You can find us on all your socials at the RNF Show. And you can send us a message and let us know who in your world's got a birthday coming up. And I love calling people at work because usually they can't hang up.
Yeah.
And they got to remain professional.
Makes them feel even more uncomfortable.
Alyssa works at a game store, and her coworkers wanted to set her up on this birthday scam today.
All right.
I'm calling a game store in today's birthday scam cleaning era on Q102.
Game. This is Alyssa. How can I help you?
Hi, Alyssa. I'm calling about the Xbox.
Yeah.
I bought an Xbox there last week,
Okay.
and I got my tongue stuck in it. I know it's not really funny.
I'm sorry.
I was. How did I get my tongue out of the Xbox? I want to get my tongue out.
Have you tried calling Microsoft?
Do they make a game? They make the game?
Yes, they do.
Well, what do other customers do when they get their tongue stuck?
Well, how did you get your tongue stuck in that?
I was cleaning it.
I'm sorry.
Ah! It shocked me.
Oh my god.
Ah! I don't know what to do. I don't know. It keeps shocking me.
Can you get someone to take you to a doctor? I think a doctor could help.
I mean, I guess if that's what I have to do. I didn't think it would be this difficult. But now I'm standing here and it's dangling and my tongue keeps getting longer.
I'm sorry. Can you hold for a minute?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes?
I really don't know how to help you. I've actually never heard of this issue before.
Ah, God, it hurts. Son of a bitch.
You could try another GameStop if you want, but I do recommend calling Microsoft.
Okay. What if I call Q102?
Huh?
This is a birthday phone scam, Alyssa. This is the Roy Nat and Freddie Mac show on Q102. How are you?
Wait, what?
Happy birthday, Alyssa. Amanda and some of your coworkers there set you up on this birthday scam.
Hey.
Wow. Okay, there's customers in the store, so I can't say what I really want to say.
Oh.
This is the first good prank call I've ever had, so thank you.
You are so welcome, Alyssa. We hope you enjoy your birthday, okay?
Thank you.